Hey guys, welcome back to Explore with Osanda. This is the first episode of the Wonder Nuwara Eliya series, and in this video we are going to be traveling to the Kotagala tunnel, one of the oldest and most famous tunnels in Sri Lanka. So let's go.
Okay guys, we just made it to our first location. We made it to the Kotagala tunnel. As you can see over here, this tunnel was the first ever tunnel built by Sri Lankans entirely. It costed 360 million rupees to complete this construction, but now my voice is echoing in here. It's pretty cool. Check this out. So now the main reason that this was built here is to help reduce the traffic in this area. So check that out. It's so cool, just perfect, beautiful. Now there's tea plantations around here. Just check that out. There's a waterway down here. It's pretty cool. Just check this out. So now this tunnel right here, it's the oldest tunnel. So now there's a new tunnel right over here. We are gonna go through in the vehicle just in a sec. So if you go there, you see the vehicles going in. That's the new tunnel. Now in this old tunnel you can't really go in vehicles, it's closed. You can just come here, stop your vehicle outside, walk through, and yeah. So now above here a railway track goes up. So now you see these lights there? That's where the railway track goes. So yeah, this is pretty cool. One of the main things in this Nuwara Eliya area, Kotagala also is tea. If you come to Sri Lanka, you know it's tea. Check this out. Just tea all the way here. We got more tea plantations all the way here. So in the upcountry, tea is like the main plantation, and tea is the capital. Like Nuwara Eliya is the main part of tea, like the biggest producers of tea. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Right there in that tree, there's a beehive right over there. Let me just zoom up on it real quick. Can you see that right over there through that branch? That's a beehive. So it is pretty cool. We got a beehive here, we got the tunnel over here, we got the new tunnel right over there. Okay guys, now we are going to look at the new tunnel. So now there's this area you can walk up there from the road. There's the old tunnel over there, and the new tunnel's right over there. Now here it is, the new tunnel. Okay guys, we just made it to the other side of the tunnel. So if I turn the camera around, yeah, there's some benches for you to sit. Now here's the other side of the new tunnel. There's like these walls all around it. Okay guys, now we're going to our next location, the Kotagala Let's go.